responsibilities includes assisting our team lead in supervising, encouraging, hiring, training other team members. It also includes being a release coordinator, doing estimation, assigning tasks to other team members, and mainly user acceptance tests.
I've been leading some small and major releases, coordinating requirements to product owners and developers, and creating and executing test cases.
We are responsible for checking off potential bugs on their web and mobile application and to make sure that the outcome matches the client requirements before it goes live and accessible to general public.
Creating test cases, executing test cases, estimating releases, and when I am the most knowledgeable person regarding the feature or product, I'm also conducting PT sessions with my fellow team members. Sometimes, I also act as the release coordinator to get the updates from the developers and POs.
Testing the mobile and web application of our client as well as creating the test cases to be executed. I also coordinate with product owners and developers for the updates and clarifications regarding the ongoing release that the team is currently testing.
I test the application provided by the client, inform the team of test status, and assist the other team members when I'm free and done with mine.
So far, my contributions are leading small releases. Sometimes I'm also a release coordinator of some major releases, and if I have a chance, I share my knowledge to the new hires.
The challenges normally arises when our timeline is tight. Since our team is the only UAT team of our client here in the Philippines, everyone is doing several adjustments on their end to cater and still deliver the expected output with quality on the given deadline.
Sometimes we need to work overtime to finish the remaining tasks to meet the deadline.
The internal process of how these releases are deployed and handled to the team is not the best in the world. But since we are deployed at the client side, all we can do is give feedback and wait if something will change.
This work from home setup is all new so too many adjustments made. Collaborating with the team members makes it more challenging. Not too many overtimes just to reach the target deadlines. Internet connection most of the time is very unstable. Sometimes there's power interruption, but eventually we are still managed to pull through despite those challenges and be productive as much as we can.
There's this test that was to be done continuously, and one mistake could lead to a retest from the start for that particular item, but thankfully the ones in charge were quick-witted with their decisions and the team was able to pull through.
When we had a tight deadline, we had to overtime until 3 a.m. and still work the next day as efficient as the day and night before.
One challenging experience that I encountered was when I was starting at this team. The trainings are all virtual, so I had a hard time learning about the app features and everything, but eventually I got the hang of it, so now it's all good.
I chose a career in software development because of my passion for computer games and my experience in making websites using HTML during my high school days. I want to explore how they are built and knowing the step-by-step process of constructing them. Each member of our team has their unique strength, but as a team, our strength is our commitment or dedication to work. Because our team is doing user acceptance testing for our client, we always have to adjust the timeline and make our testing quick without sacrificing the quality. So we have to make sure that every release to production is quality checked, requiring us to work each day consistently as well as being on time and giving 100% of our effort in doing and delivering quality work. My goal for the team is that everyone continues to improve their skills by taking trainings or certification, even we are in a fast-paced environment that requires most of our time. Managing a large team during a pandemic is incredibly challenging. I have to make sure that everyone has their tasks and everyone has the right support. Sa kind of different from the typical face-to-face setting, where you can personally ask for support or you can go directly to the person you need to speak to. Aside from the team, I also have to manage the expectation of our client, like providing them estimate for each release, making sure each release is according to the timeline, and providing them the needed reports. So constant communication is our key to our team success. Beside our team stand-up, we also have the morning checkpoints through video conferencing, where we can check each team member current tasks to determine what support they need to complete their tasks and provide them knowledge sharing across the team members.